How to fix Threads app crashing and slow loading. Let's get in. First, you'll need to check space in your device. So, launch settings, click on the option General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or upload the unused apps. All you need to do is launch the app, click on Upload or Delete. This might fix your issue. Next, update your Threads app, like with Instagram. Launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Threads. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Do the same for Instagram as well. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Then head back, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Threads app from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Threads app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Threads, and then install it. Lastly, what you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. So, these are some fixes for Threads app crashing and slow loading. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.